Hi there. Today for our math lesson, we're going to look at the rules for the times tables of 0, 1, and 2. So you've already learned that times tables really just means groups of. So today we're just going to take a closer look to see what does that really mean. So if we have 0 times something, we know that we have to make groups of. Let's just say we have 0 times 3. Well, if I'm making 0 groups, I can't put anything in the 0 groups. So automatically, my answer is 0. If I turn it around and I do 3 groups of 0, well, there's my 3 groups, but there's nothing in them. And when I get my answer, I'm counting what's inside of my groups, but there's nothing in there, so my answer is 0. So the rule for 0 is anything times 0 equals 0. Let's look at the rule for times 1. 1 times something, let's use 4, equals. So if I have one group and I put 4 in it, my answer is 4. So what you need to remember with the 1 times table rule is your answer is always going to be the other number to 1. So 1 times 4 is 4. If we turn it around and do 4 times 1, there's our groups, 4 groups. Oops. And we put 1 in each group. Our answer is still 4. So what we need to remember with 1, the 1 times table rule, your answer is always the other number other than 1. Doesn't matter how high that number is, it's going to be the other number. And then the last rule that we're just going to go over today is the 2 times table rule. So 2 times, let's use 2 times 5. Well, 2 groups of, and we put 5. In each group. 5 plus 5 is 10. 2 groups of 5 is 10. If we turn it around, 5 times 2, we have to draw 5 groups. And then I can count my total, and I can count by 2s if it's this way. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So the 2 times table rule, there's 2 ways to remember it. One way is you are adding doubles, 5 plus 5 for this one because you are timesing by 5. So you could remember that adding doubles is the same as the 2 times tables. And the other way to get your answer for the 2 times tables is to count by 2s. This is 5 times 2, so I give myself 5, and I count by 2s 5 times. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So let's just review before we go practice some of this. Anything times 0 is 0. Anything times 1 is the other number. And with the 2 times table, it's like adding doubles or counting by 2s. That's how you can get your answers. Those are 3 easy rules to help you. See you later.